This is the rest of the way through.
And this is day 3 of the South Island tour. We're on our way to TeAnau. We were saying that we're going to get bad weather, but it's been beautiful and sunny. Beautiful day. Up in the sky. No rain yet. All good.
Here we are in Wanaka. The boys had a coffee break while I went to a doctor to confirm I had a fractured coccyx and get some better drugs to numb my bum. And true to my Gannet name, I was starving at the end, so we stayed on for lunch.
up on you. You dirty sweet and you my girl. Get it on, bang a gong, get it on. Get it on, bang a gong, get it on. Bird like a cone, you got a hubcap, diamond star halo. You look like a truck on man. Girl, you're a untamed youth, that's the truth. With your cloak full of egos. You dirty sweet and you my girl.
So here we are. We've arrived in TeAnau. Just ahead of the weather. This is our humongous room. And the guys are down the hall down here. It's Brent's room. Motorcycles out the window, where we can see them, supposedly. And John and Naka in there. So we're almost to go up to dinner, but so far we've kept ahead of the weather. So the reports of rain today, and it's overcast. It was spitting when we came in, but it's actually stopped now.